Isaac, ¿tú qué piensas de la bancanización de México?
Te voy a decir la mera verdad.
A ver, ¿puedes hablar de la...
Sorry. That wasn't supposed to be. I'm sorry, my friend. That wasn't part of the show, was it?
That hurt a little bit.
Really?
¿Tú qué piensas de la bancanización de México?
Hold on, espérate. Deja que se me calme un poco la...
Casi quiebras mi teléfono, pero...
That's like one of those experiments when one thing causes another thing and so forth and so on. And you were the last catastrophe there.
That was pretty funny. You know what? I'm gonna sue you. You know that, right?
You actually can, you know that, right?
You bruised me. It hurts.
You actually can sue me, you know it.
It hurts, Isaac.
Can you lower that for me?
I feel like something else is gonna happen right now. That's why I'm still recording.
That's good, thank you. That's why I'm still recording.
Are you pulling the engine out?
Yeah.
Really? Right now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I want to record this when it falls in you.
No, you can show it to the owner, but it's not an easy job.
Lower it.
Yeah, we got to bring that forward a little bit. Okay, that's one way to do it.
Hey, you really bruised me.
Let me see.
Huh? I'll show you later.
You gonna strip down for me
That
later?
corner right there hit me on my arm, on my bone. I don't have muscle, man. If I had muscle, I would be better, but...
You gonna strip so I can see it or not?
Do I look like a stripper? Hold on, don't answer that.
Okay, up. Ooh, nice. I like the way you work. We're good, we're good.
Up?
Does it feel too heavy or what?
No. Feels like something's gonna happen.
Hold on. I do see some wire over here. Give me some slack.
Que no se te va a caer el hood.
Can you place this over there so it doesn't fall?
Let it go?
Well, I would like it this high. Bring a big stick. If you would have had a big stick from the beginning, if you would have had a big stick to begin with, this wouldn't happen.
Síguele, Isaac. Síguele.
Man, you scared me.
I think I broke it.
Pulled out the El Grande, huh?
I need some back pressure. You know that, right?
I was hoping you'd bring a bigger one.
Oh, come on.
I guess that's as big as you got, huh?
I'm recording. Can't you be civilized for just a couple of seconds?
Oh, okay. I've been hanging around you people so long, I can't tell anymore.
I thought you said you went to college
4 years, got a master's degree.
as a janitor.
Well, hey, it counts.
Yeah, for you.
It's tough to get in as a janitor at Harvard.
Harvard. I think you need a degree for that before you. Never mind.
Hey, can I borrow your 8mm wrench with the little ratchet on it?
Sure. Is
Get it?
5/16s all right?
Yeah, 5/16 is good.
All right. Let me reach. Here you go.
I said with the ratchet on it.
Hey, you get what you get. All right. Here you go. You got it, or do you still need it?
Man, there's nothing like it. Thank you.
What-
Gracias, amigo. Gracias. Cuidado, no te vaya a caer el cofre otra vez.
What are you exactly doing right now?
I'm bolting, unscrewing the harness. This is the transmission harness.
Oh, we're gonna give this to some those TV shows, so they can.
No, you have to edit it first. It's too sloppy.
And it's too. I mean,
Vulgar.
you mean language, or oh okay.
Vulgar.
Yeah, because of you. If it was
Because of
somebody,
you. It wasn't because of me. It's because of people I've been hanging around with, like you. Can you raise the engine, por favor? Listen to my hand. Listen to my hand. Pay attention to my hand signals, okay? Stop. Hold it. Up. Down.
why can't you just say it?
Because I'm gonna need my mouth for a whole different reason, right?
Okay, whatever.
Hold it. I feel some resistance here.
I think it's the
Then again,
weight.
I could just be constipated, you know?
Yeah. I think it's the weight of the engine. How many pounds is that? About 600?
Engine? Oh
Yeah.
no, my friend. Este es un El Grande. It's a lot of pounds.
No more than 7.
That's, yeah,